The region of Campania, Italy, is known as the fertile countryside, loved by the ancient Romans for its lush and sweet landscape, a land where happiness is not a fantasy but a choice of life. Torre Lupara is a vertically integrated, controlled and eco-sustainable chain. 1,200 acres of land farmed according to the rotation method to maximize fodder cultivation for the over 3,000 Mediterranean buffaloes. The land is cultivated according to the most modern agricultural systems based on philosophy of eco-sustainability and absolute respect for the terrain. The buffaloes are raised in a non-intrusive manner and semi-open barns. All things are considered because the happiness and well-being of the buffalo are very important to obtain the highest quality of raw material, milk. The entire production process is conducted according to a specific and coherent ethical work organization. Every phase of production, from the cultivation of forage to the packaging of finished products, is part of the project of transparency, supervision and traceability. The crops rotate cyclically, rendering fertile soil used to grow alfalfa, corn and various types of hay. The land is enriched with the waste from the buffalo. Feeding the buffalo is defined and established through modern monitoring techniques, and varies according to their lactation period. The buffalo are constantly undergoing rigorous monitoring by Lupara's veterinary team, and inspections by competent, official government organizations. The female buffalo are milked twice a day through a patient and modern process, conducted in accordance with very strict hygiene. Their udders are cleaned, dried and massaged before coming into contact with the mechanical milkers. In the Torre Lupara production plant, there is a synergy between ancient cheese-making traditions and modern cutting-edge technologies. The cheese factory works exclusively with Lupara's own buffalo milk, which is designed as DOP by the European Union. After the pasteurization process, a small quantity of whey protein is added to the milk, which triggers the acidification process and the development of natural rennet. After 4 to 5 hours, the resulting curd is worked by stretching and mixing in 200-degree hot water. It is then ready to be formed into mozzarella via a process which can be done either by hand or by machine. The balls are cut and formed, and immediately immersed in cold water, which helps seal the outer layer, or sheen. This is followed by the salting process, in which the mozzarella passed through salted water until both the desired temperature and salt level has been attained. Afterwards, the mozzarella is ready to be packaged. The buffalo mozzarella is packaged, marketed and branded as a fresh or frozen product. Lupara has perfected the freezing process for buffalo mozzarella. It is the same mozzarella, the same quality, the same production process and then frozen. Now it can be palletized, stored and exported, with a shelf life of 2 years. Thanks to this skill and technology, the whole world can discover and enjoy the unique and unmistakable taste of the best buffalo mozzarella from Campania. Torre Lupara buffalo mozzarella.